So here it is. We're going to unbox it right here. So it just came. So can you see? Make sure you can see. There you go. All right. This is the, so I got my scissors here. I'm going to take that. That falls down. It's got these protectors here. Bumpers. Look at that one. Been through the. You ought to saw the FedEx guy delivering that. That was really interesting. That poor fellow was struggling. But 86 pounds, I got to tell you, he did better than I did. So we're going to open this top. Now, I'm pretty sure this is like just the outer box. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. I might have to call my moderator in here, guys. Moderator. Let's see. All right, there we go. Yeah. I don't know if we're going to be able to lift this thing out of here. Let me see. So I got my little scissors. I'm going to open. Should I just tear this box here? What do you think? Yeah, because, I mean, there's no way we're going to be able to lift it. No, we could flip it upside down, but that may be dangerous. All right, I got the moderator in here. Oh, you said just like leave it in there? Okay. Oh, man, I shouldn't have done that. Here, get this piece right there. Okay. All right, so we're taking the top off. So there we go. We got a box. That's pretty sure it's got our peripherals in there. So that's the only thing it came with there is the power cord. That's the only thing that it has there in that box is the power cord. No, I take that back. It has some grounding screws. He's got the books. We have the book. I need to probably look at the book. Okay, let me. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, can you lift that? Oh my goodness, that's 86 pounds. Goodness gracious. All right, let's leave the box out of the way. All right, let me set it down. Just set it down. All right, let me move that out there. I'm surprised that's the only cable that came in there. Wow, that was the only cable. Okay, we got to save that box. Man, goodness gracious, that's a heavy piece of guy right there. Let me see here. I'm going to try to switch to my other camera here, guys. Let me